Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Binance account in 2025. Since PayPal doesn't directly connect to Binance, we will use a safe workaround. Let's get started. PayPal doesn't support direct crypto transfers to Binance, so we will use a third-party platform or P2P method. Option to shows on screen. Use a crypto exchange that accepts PayPal, like Paxful. Use Binance P2P trading to buy crypto with PayPal. Optional. Use a trusted friend who can receive PayPal and send crypto to your Binance wallet. Now go to Binance.com or your Binance app. Go to P2P trading. Under Buy Crypto tab, select your preferred crypto, usually USDT to or BTC, filtered by PayPal as payment method. Choose a reputable seller. Enter the amount you want to buy. Click Buy, then follow the on-screen instructions. Send money via PayPal to the seller's PayPal email. Click Transferred, notify seller. Wait for the seller to release the crypto. It will appear in your Binance funding wallet. Always double check the seller's rating and follow Binance's safety tips to avoid scams. Go to wallet, then funding wallet, click transfer, select crypto like USDT, move funds to your spot wallet to trade or withdraw. Alternatively, you can use exchanges like paxful.com, by crypto using PayPal, then transfer to Binance. Quick walkthrough of buying crypto with PayPal and copying Binance wallet address. Always use verified traders. Double check the wallet address before sending. Watch out for scams. In P2P trades, use Binance's escrow protection during transactions, and that's how you transfer money from PayPal to Binance. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.